I'm Jeff McDowell. I'm the president of AASP New Jersey, and also a large part of the trade show committee. We have a lot of volunteers that help to put the show together, and I'm one of them. The show this year is really over the top. I mean, last year was great. We thought, well, what are we going to do to have it be any better than it possibly was last year? But it's so far beyond our expectations this year that I don't even know. Maybe next year we'll open up the downstairs and we'll have a 2-floor show. So we're really excited about it. For one thing, we're sold completely out. The vendors saw enough value in the show last year that a lot of them registered early. They got bigger booth space. They actually had good leads and made money from their prospects. People bought equipment, people bought supplies and so forth. So they found a lot of value in it, and everyone's happy. That's the great thing. Walking the show floor, all the vendors are saying, well, what a great show, how happy they are. So that's, our goal. The show has grown to the point where we're attracting people, not only people to come to the show from all over the country, especially further out in the tri-state area than they've ever come from before. We have 4 people from Rhode Island came down yesterday and signed up with one of the vendors on a product. So they're traveling further to get here. And we're having more nationally recognized vendors come and participate at the show because they see the value in it. And actually, when we moved the show here to the Meadowlands, trade shows in general were in a declining market. And we've managed to build on this success year after year for 7 years now in a down market. So yeah, we're really proud of that. We're really proud that, that people are recognizing us across the country now.